Friends, I am Dr. Sujit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Top 8 Homeo Remedies for Problems of Nipples of Women. What are common problems of nipple of women? There are a lot of reasons for problems of nipple of women, from sex to infection and many other, including nipple cancer. There are few women in the world who never suffer from problems of nipple in their lifespan. In fact, it is a seat of supreme joy as well as pleasure, joy and pleasure as well as of sufferings in women. Every woman must take special care, personal care about this tiny part of the breast to avoid future problem arising out of it. Problems are enumerated here under. Number 1, friction of clothes, etc. Chafing from clothes has always been one of the nagging problems. Practically during the course of walking, jogging, running, etc. That is almost always due to friction of clothes, one may feel her nipple sore or even bleeding. Use of bland oily substances together with soft cotton bra is a very common solution. However, a few remedies are of great value also. By later that will be discussed in proper place. Number 2, injury. Injuries to breast may occur during sex. However, these are not generally severe. As such, resolve spontaneously within a few days. Rest for a few days is required and recurrence of injury must not be there. Skin condition. Certain skin conditions such as eczema or dry skin can cause sore nipples with itching and friction and irritation. Dry, scaly, itchy eruption may appear on around, but this can be managed with soothing simple emollients like Vaseline, glycerin, lanolin or such other things. If necessary, oral remedies may help in the process of cure. Please avoid using strong medicated ointment on nipple as far as possible. This is most important. Allergies. Irritants or allergens in soap, deodorants, powders, cream, etc. may cause nipple soreness. This is also managed by procedure followed above, that is discussed in skin condition. However, cessation of use of such irritating substance is also a precondition of managing this menace. Number 5, menstrual period. Due to effects of hormones, breast along with nipples is affected during menses. Nipple affection gradually becomes minimized with time and there are a lot of effective remedies to combat this situation. The good quality of supportive bra may help dilute the problem too. Number 6, pregnancy. During pregnancy, massive spectacular changes occur in breast, but this adjusts also fast with the system. Use of supportive breast, that is wearing of breast, hot and cold compress, bath with lukewarm water generally help to address the situation. Number 7, breastfeeding. This causes often considerable painful situation. However, this is something which is a sine qua non. Sine qua non means actually without which not, because whatever may be the problem of breastfeeding, it is to be done. It cannot be spared altogether, and every woman of the world tolerate this with a smiling face. And thanks to the nature, this is quickly adapted by the mothers also. Good news in this regard is that a lot of personal help is available to ease the situation. This soreness of nipples due to breastfeeding is a very, very common problem of all mothers of the world. That is discussed in point number 7. Nipple infection. Yeast, fungal infection or bacterial infection may cause a substantial corrosion in the nipples. Taking help of medical profession is a must in this situation. That is, this infection must be addressed by doctors. Breast cancer. Though breast cancer is not generally associated with nipple erosion, yet one must be observant about nagging discharges from nipples, resistant pain, redness and dimpling around, which often remind us of this malignancy. Number 10, Pagets disease. The trio of this ailment, redness, itching, scaling of nipple, can be called the forerunner of cancer. Now, this is a very important picture here, mammogram. This mammogram is the onset of cancer. This picture. When to consult a doctor in case of nipple problem. Crores of women had suffered from problems of nipple. Crores are suffering right at this moment, and crores would suffer in future too in this common problem. However, one must at once consult a doctor if one have any of the following. What are these things? Nipple pain that wakes one up from sleep. Nipple pain that lasts longer than a week. Nipple discharge. Mind that not all discharges are ominous. That is bad. Skin changes with pain like redness, swelling, or color of skin. That is very important point here. Skin changes around nipple. It's very grave things. Breast lump, grave thing. Swollen lymph nodes in armpit, also grave symptom. These are actually the symptoms of some malignancy. Kindly treat nipple as an organ of your body. As you are serious about your various organs of the body, so be with nipple too. Take care about your nipple as you take care of your face. Mind that your overall health depends on the health of your nipple. It is said by a great doctor that on the health of nipple, the overall health of lady depends. Number 1, borax for problems of nipple. Aphthous nipples. Contractive pain in left nipple when child nurses the right. Patients highly nervous, restless and anxious. Number 2, mercurius for problems of nipple. Nipple very raw and sore. Sensitive gum, teeth and cervical glands. Patients have tendency to repeat question asked before reply. All problem worse during night. Number 3, calculator for problems of nipple. Ulcerated nipples, discharging pus, mammy painful as if they would suppurate. Patients fat, flabby, lethargic, perspire profusely, craves egg, extremities cold. Number 4, graphitis for nipple problem. Soreness of nipples with small corrosive blisters oozing thick glutinous fluid that forms a crust. Patient disposed to have delayed menses, like to take hot milk and averse to meat, fish, salt and sweets. Lycopodium for problems of nipple. Nipple sore, fissured, covered with scarf. Milk thin and blue or thick and cheesy. Patients proud, intelligent, like warms food and drinks. Afraid to be alone yet avoid company, lest they disturb them. During sleep, their eyes remain half open. This is a very important symptom of lycopodium. Lycopodium patient while sleep, their eyes remain half open. Pulse delay for problems of nipple. Mothers weep as often as she has to nurse. Pain of nipples extends into chest up to neck, down the back. Pain change from place to place. Number 7, silicea for problems of nipple. Nipples ulcerate very easily, sore, tender. Pain in small of back. Small of back. What is small of back? This is this area, actually lumbar region. The lumbar region is called small of back. While child nurses, patients highly chilly, limbs ice cold, like to wear warm dresses even in summer. This is the characteristic of silicea patient. They wear warm cloth in summer also. Number 8, chamomilla for problem of nipples. Nipples inflamed, tender, can hardly endure the pain of nursing. Patient can hardly endure the pain of nursing. Milk runs out spontaneously. Mothers highly irritative, cannot bear anything, anybody. With this the video ends. Thanks for listening and viewing. Got any problem? Please write it in the comment section. I would certainly attend.